Hi students, I have my Fender Tele, my Telecaster. Not that different from the guitar that George Harrison used to play Something, uh, uh, recorded by the Beatles on the Abbey Road album. And the opening of Something is here notated for you to see on the Music in Canvas Module 14. And remember, the numbers are the frets. So on the B string, you find the 10th fret, and then I would put my third finger, which is perfectly aligned with the 12th fret, and I would notice what PBR means, pre-bend, and then you pull off for the 10 again. So you have, let me show this close up and personal. So you play. So here's 10. I'm actually pushing it up, not pulling it down, but I guess I could. So it's 10, 12, that's a half step. And it leads into. Now those are basic chords. Let's take a look at the song. Now, oh, by the way, the lick 1, da 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 da, takes you to C. After the second verse, identical except it goes to A, the 14th fret. So it starts on 10 again. But we'll get to that. So C is the first chord, C. And then the C major 7, it's the same as a C without the first finger. And then after that, it's a C7th with all 4 fingers playing a C7. And then you go to an F. And F with an E in the bass means you play all of the strings. Instead of not playing the 6th string with an F, is what we've learned. You play the 6th string. You play all of them. And then the other chords are not that different, except when you go to the next part. I don't want to leave her now. That's A minor. I don't want to leave her. You know I believe in how. The A minor major 7th. So that looks like this. So A, let me go full screen. So A minor we know. I don't want to leave her. And then this is now. So I have 2 fingers on the 1st fret of the B and G. I went from A minor. I put 2 fingers here. And I put my ring finger where that 2nd finger was. And then I can release that to play an A minor 7. That note has gone down from. I don't want to leave her now. You know I believe in how. And it's like a bass line. To play that. And let me go back to the script. So, yeah, you see. And then it goes to what is actually kind of the intro. And da 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 If you don't play the lick, you're playing an F, oh, E flat. E flat is shown in kind of a backwards way. Now, E flat looks like you took the D chord and you moved it up one fret. And I would suggest, not with the first finger way up there on the first fret. I have chord books and charts, and they never show it like that. Instead, E flat, remember I said it's like a D that you move to the fourth? Well, it is, but the first finger covers all four strings, and then the second finger to make the D, that would be like a D here, and your ring finger plays on the fifth fret of the B string. So it's first finger over all four strings on the third fret, second finger is on the fourth fret of the B string, and the ring finger is on the fifth fret of the B string. So what happens if you're not playing the da 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 da, so it's something in the way she knows that I don't need, and so on. It goes on like that. This is going to be a fun song to wrap up beginning guitar part 2, and especially if you are so enthused as to play the licks, the tabs, which are very interesting. Again, and what I do, I gently do some vibrato. Let me stand so it's a better view. Here's the 10th. The 12th is the two buttons. Moving the string, giving that little bit of vibrato, and then the second lick is bum bum bum. Yeah, you know this song. Hey everybody, have fun. This is going to be a good one.